part where I'm modeling the Predator logo as shown here. Let's extrude, or let's duplicate, Shift D to duplicate that vertex and move it over this section over here. So let's extrude it like this. Then let's extrude again to this corner, do it again also for that section, move it just a little bit by hitting G8, and let's enable screencast keys in order to show you what buttons I'm pressing. Extrude like this, extrude to match that curvature over there. Here I should model, I should add 3 vertices just like this, because on this side we have other 3 vertices. Extrude again, and let's extrude, Ctrl Z to undo, select these 2 vertices, then hitting F is gonna be connecting those 2 vertices. Let's continue, Shift D to duplicate that vertex, move it next to this vertex in this area, then extrude it and do it until it matches all those corners just like this, and do it so on to cover and to sketch this area as shown here. Let's grab those vertices next to this section over here. As you can see, Ctrl R, let's add 2 vertices, scroll up on the mouse wheel, grab that vertex just like this to match that curvature, and make same distance between those vertices as shown here. And to make a quad topology, also we need to add another vertex over there. Ctrl R, we need to add another vertex, I think. Hold on Alt and click on this loop over here. It's gonna be selecting all those vertices of the loop. Then I'm gonna be hitting F to fill it up. Then let's hit I to insert it just like this. In order to avoid topology issues and shading issues, we will get rid of this section later on. So let's move on in order to create this topology for this section. I think we should add another vertex over there. Ctrl R, add another vertex, and keep the same distance between them as much as possible. Then I'm gonna be using the loop tools as shown in our tutorial. Hold down Ctrl, click on right mouse button, then can see over here at the top loop tools, drop down menu, then go over space to set the same space. Also hold down Ctrl, set the same space for this section, and I think it's not bad. Just I'm gonna be connecting all those vertices to create different topology structures that should be clean. Then I'm gonna be using this annotate to explain in case where we are to create insert tool. Is gonna be inserting just like this and create topology quads. Then I'm gonna be creating quads all over this section over there. So let's see it. Let's see how to do it. Hover over those vertices, click to select one vertex, then hold down Alt and click at the same time. You have to fill it, then hit I to insert it. Just like this. It's gonna be clean and good. We get rid of those sections, and I'm gonna be cleaning up that topology. Let's add more vertices to this section. Because you have a poor topology, Ctrl-R. Let's add another object over here in order to connect these four vertices. Let's see what we have. I think not that bad. I need another vertex, 2 vertices over here. Ctrl-R, let's add 2 vertices over there. Hold down Ctrl, right click, then go over space, set space. Ctrl to select those vertices. Loop tools, right click, then space. To space it up, like this. Select these 2 vertices. HG twice. Move it at center like this. Let's add more vertices. Ctrl-R to add those vertices over here. Here we have 6 vertices, 2, 4, 6, and here just 4. Let's add much more vertices over here. Ctrl-R, add to over here. Ctrl-R, add to over here. So let's set same distance. Loop tools, then go over space. Do it also for this one. Loop tools, then space. As you can see here, I think it's good. Switch to face select mode. Hold down shift, select these 2 faces. At the middle, hit X to delete those faces.